So Robinson, Buter deep for Wauseon.
There you go, get up there.
Zach Robinson.
There you go.
That's the end of the ball game.
I'm so proud of my teammates. I couldn't do anything without my teammates. Those guys worked so hard with me. They responded to me and the coaches and the other captains. I can't be more proud of my teammates. It definitely wasn't me. It wasn't me. Defense was awesome. Teammates did great. It means this is the best feeling in my young life, I guess. I mean, I haven't really done much, but it's an amazing feeling.
First of all, Napoleon has such a great program. Not only have they beat Wauseon 12 years in a row, I believe, but I have yet to beat them as a head coach. My time at Bryan, we had two close ones where they hit a field goal at the end. They had a score with 1:30 or so our year we made playoffs at Bryan, and I've just never been able to get them. And our kids knew that, and they took it upon themselves, and I love every one of them for it, because they willed themselves to this victory tonight. And I couldn't be more proud of our 6 seniors. We have 6 seniors at school our size, which is not a lot, but those 6 seniors were men, both sides of the football. They gave everything they had, and the smiles on their faces and just the ecstatic feel is just amazing.